Okay, welcome back. Got my tripod set up here. We're gonna be picking these taters out of here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Not a baker, but here's another one. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Okay, let's see. I didn't want to get my hand dirty because I got to touch my camera. Okay, we got red worms. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's just turn this one over. See what we get. Yeah, the drop top's too dry on these pots. Oh, look at here. That's a Jim Dandy right there. Oh yeah. See these little ones like this right here. I'll cure them. I won't wash them. So you don't want to wash your potatoes after you pick them. But those little ones I'm going to replant. See, these guys are okay. Nice. Nice, look at that. Look at that one. That's a nice one. I didn't know those potatoes grew that fast. That's awesome. I don't know if they're completely done, but they certainly do act like they're done. Anyways. Yeah, look here. Here's some more. Probably gonna miss a few. Probably gonna miss a few of these. Yeah, the roots. The roots are. Look at. Oops, flung one off. See these little ones? All these little ones. Like that right there. I'll plant those. I'll replant them. I think it's August. I'll look at my schedule. I didn't realize I thought there was something wrong with my plants. Well, yeah, there was. They were done. Yeah. Nice. Nice. So today is, what is it, the 3rd? No, wait, today's the 4th of July. What do you think about that? 4th of July, and we are harvesting potatoes. I need a pitchfork. Okay, so I think I done 4 tubs. 4 tubs. There's probably 10 pounds. Got some bakers in there. That's pretty sweet. I'm sure I'm missing some. I might have to get me an external mic for this phone because we love cats around here, can you tell? My little female Sophie, she tore the screen off the window last night to get out, and I think she was going in the heat, so we were keeping her in the house, and she got out last night, tore her screen off a window and got out, and so at 3 o'clock this morning, of course I have nights where I don't get to sleep. I don't sleep, so I woke up at like 1:30, and I laid there till about 2:30, and I said, heck with it. Well, actually I laid there till about 2, And I said, the heck with it. And I got up and went out on the deck and didn't have no coffee. I drank a bunch of sports drink, non-caffeinated sports drink to rehydrate myself. For some reason, I get real dehydrated real quick, and I constantly drinking water and coffee. Of course, coffee is not good for your kidneys because it's a diuretic. You're not supposed to drink coffee on hot days, I hear. The medical people are telling us. And then, so unbeknownst to me, really, I thought there's something wrong with my potato plants, but then I'm looking and they're not all done. There's only a few of them that look like they're done, so I'm going to be kind of selective this morning. I won't be taking the ones out that aren't ready. So, because I see there's some green ones over here that aren't ready, and so I'll be leaving those alone. Probably could wait another week or two, but I'm excited. I've never grown potatoes before. I already got 10 pounds. So if I got 10 pounds out of those 4 buckets, I emptied out 4 so far. And if I got 10 pounds for every 4, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 on that one. And then so 10 pounds, 4 goes into, let's see. So if I had, so 4 goes into 12 3 times, so I'll be 30 pounds, 30 to 40 pounds out of these right here, out of those over there, right there. And then the ones that I planted later over here, see how nice and green they are? So it looks like to me that I'll be harvesting even more. And that was those bag of little potatoes like you get at Costco, you know, the little small ones. Those guys, I don't have any more right here. I think I'm gonna turn that one over. I don't know, man. I think they're done. So I'm kind of blown away at this, thinking there's something wrong. I've never grown potatoes, so like I say, we're looks like we're doing okay. We got some volunteer tomato plants in there. We had a watermelon growing in this one, and it's evident it was a yellow watermelon. So it was way far from being ripe. So it was in one of these tubs right here, so I had to get rid of it. But so I put a video on there past a few days about our shade cloths, and I spelled cloths wrong. I spelled it C-L-O-T-H-E-S instead of C-L-O-T-H''S. So somebody commented that, hey, you spelled cloths wrong. So, well, you know, a cloth, a clothes and cloth are so close to the same word. And I guess you could say you dressed your garden with with cloths, right? Same meaning, I think. Anyway, so there's our taters, and I'm going to continue to harvest these babies. Just kind of stop there for a minute and drink my coffee. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Dad, you want to turn the water off a couple of days too? So want to turn your water off a couple of days before you go to harvest your potatoes. I know why now, because you're pulling them out of mud. Lord have mercy, my baby's got her blue jeans on. I got that song stuck in my head. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna look around here a little bit more. So that tub was a bit wetter than the other tub. So they're heavy. They are heavy. Oh, yeah, look at him here. Look there, look at this guy. That's not a bad sized gator. Neither is that one. Not bad. There's a good one. Looking good. Yeah, even these little guys, and we'll, like I said, we'll replant those. I think it's September. I'm not sure if they do so good. And see, even those little ones like that, I'll replant those. I'll leave that stem there so I can find it. What's this? Huh. Yeah. Oh, whoops. I missed. I'm just going to pop these off. I think I'm going to wait another week on these taters. I'm going to replant those little ones. I'll cure them. And I'm going to replant them. Look how tiny that pig is. It won't hurt anything. Oh, wow, wait a second. There's one right there. I threw one out. Oh, look at there. Yeah. Better move my bucket a little closer. Yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that Donecker. Yeah, heavy. So these are good and moist, just not on the top. So I'm going to have an emitter that will get the top. I want those potatoes to grow all the way up to the top. That. Well, we didn't get so many out of that. That's kind of a bummer. Yeah, I probably ought to wait. I don't know. Probably should wait. Yeah, you're gonna get wet and muddy. I don't have a whole lot of room in my drying shed anyways. I got stuff in there drying. I found out a little more information about that roselle, that hibiscus. So a lot of times that hibiscus is, you gotta wait till it gets flowers on it. And then when you get the flowers, those red flowers on there, then you can take the petals and make tea and stuff. So that's gonna be pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Anyways, I think I'll roll these. This guy right here. See, I think what I should have done instead of drilling holes so close to the bottom on my pails, I should have drilled it a little bit for drainage. I should have drilled it a little bit higher up, right? Instead of drilling it right down on the bottom or drilling one on the bottom, I should have drilled it like right here and left a couple of inches to let that water sit in there and then wick. Although a couple of them were pretty wet, so I'm not really sure about that either. So, you know, and then this guy don't want to lay down, put some dirt on him. I want to keep that soil moist too. There we go. So I'll take the backhoe when I'm done. So I gotta take this off without screwing it up. Okay. All right, so I'll take my hands are all muddy. Anyways, this is too far out from my watering system. Oh, looky here, I missed another one. See, I'll replant those. Those guys will be fine. Anyways, so yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Okay, well, I guess that's the end of this one. I didn't realize my potatoes were ready for harvest so soon. That's awesome. Now I know how long it takes for them to grow. So, and it's not very long. I'll have to look at my chart and see what I wrote down. And anyways, oops. So, oops. All right, well, that's that. Thanks for watching.